Is AI coming to take every freelance copywriting mama's job away? Let's sit down and talk about it mom to mom. I'm Christa Nichols. I have a sales copywriting business where I generate multiple six figures per year. I do not think that AI is coming to steal all of our jobs, but it might be coming to steal some jobs. There will always be business owners who would much rather hand over their project to someone who's an expert in their field that they trust than to have to sit down and learn how to use ChatGPT. Struggle to get results for clients though, you may need to be a little bit worried. You've got to learn those sales conversion skills that will back you up in terms of results. Did you know I have a membership that teaches the exact foundational sales copy skills that you need to get started? I'm so passionate about helping freelance copywriting mamas. I want to make getting those sales conversion skills super easy for you. Right now, Wordy Mama Revolution is on a free 30-day trial. Take the trainings, use the resources, practice your sales skills for 30 days for free. Click the link in the bio to check it out.